the only thing if you tell us your request, we will make the perfect one for you. Fabulous. This one is fabulous. Very good. Invisible. Totally invisible. I love this one. You can see. Let me try this one. I put it on my head. Very real. Very real. Right? Also inside. Okay, thanks for watching the next one. This one is a extension with the clips. My hair is too short. I think we need more extension for my hair length. But the color of this one is very a beautiful color. This is color 30. Hair length is about 50 centimeters. Do you like this one? This is hair extension. So this topper. This is a topper too. See, this area is mono, and the rest is wax. Also very invisible, and it is sorry. The density is very heavy. The color is brown. This one we only have one piece in stock, so and you can see this area is colored. So the price of this one was very economic. If you like this one, you can take a picture and then we will give you a discount. Okay, thanks for watching. Now this is our last one, And it's time to say goodbye. See you tomorrow.